All right, well, welcome to another unboxing. We have three of Gemini's newest releases: an American ERJ 145, Delta CRJ 700, and this beautiful Air Canada Airbus A220 in the old Trans-Canada colors. Um, I'm starting to get around to get more regional jets, so this is a good pickup here. But let's go ahead and pop these open and take a look. All right, we'll start with the American ERJ 145 here. I have the Delta version of this, so it's kind of nice to get the American one here. Let's take a look, pop her open. All right, looks good. Gears on correctly. I like the detail on the underneath the wing there. Kind of see. Yeah, looks good. American Eagle titles on there. Tail looks good. It's not loose or anything. That is a good pickup to add to the collection, which I don't have. Like I said, don't have much in terms of the regional jets, but this is a good one to add. Very happy with this one here. All right, now we got the Delta, the CRJ 700, the Delta connection here. I think I have an American like this or something, so it's kind of fun. I'm just getting the complete opposite of what I have, but it's good to have. All right, she looks good. Gear looks like it's on correctly. Yeah, colors really good. The paint's good. The detail on there is really good. Detail on the wings, you can see. The gear looks really, really tiny on there, but it looks good. Yeah, no complaints. The amount of detail on these is really good. Not gonna complain. But yeah, that's another good regional to have. All right, and last but not least, we got the Air Canada A220 here, and the old colors, the Trans-Canada Airlines. I don't have much in terms of Air Canada right now. I've got this one. I've got a couple other smaller jets. I'm waiting on the AV400 777 to come in whenever they decide to actually ship those. But that'll be nice to have when it comes in. Got. Oh, that is very nice. Very nice. Very happy with that. That gray is different. It's a much darker gray compared to the American there. But detail looks good. The antenna's on there. Interesting. That nose looks very 787-esque almost, or A350 almost. It's very interesting. Bottom looks good, edges look good, but yeah, that nose is very interesting to me. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the way I'm looking at it, but it looks different than the other A220s that I have. But aside from that, paint job looks great. I like that tail. That detail on the tail is really nice. But I'm glad that I got this. I was kind of hesitant when I saw the release for it, but I'm definitely glad I picked it up. Very happy. So I'm very happy with these three pickups right here. Especially happy to add to my regional small collection already, but it's nice to have those two added to it. And then to add to a little bit of Air Canada I have that I want to get more of, that's a good one to have. Really like the colors on this, the details. Very, very happy with that. Though that nose looks kind of weird to me, but maybe it might just be me. And then the regionals, those are always hard to come by, it seems like. It was get snapped up pretty quick, You ever see them on for eBay, they go for a lot more than they probably should. But really happy with these. Glad I got them, and hopefully should be getting more in the coming weeks.